Hello everyone, it's Chandler South, broker owner of Florida Lifetime Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Today we're down in Bradenton, Florida looking at brand new construction. Welcome to the Palma model. It's going to be 2606 square feet under air, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, plus a bonus room, a 3-car garage, and an ADU option for the floor plan. Let's go take a look. So walking up to your front entry, here are your double front doors, and you do have another door going over to the ADU. Let's take a look. Walking up. Coming inside, so turning around, here's your front entryway. Also turning back around, let's show you the ADU. So on this model, they do turn one of the bedrooms into a living room and kitchenette. And again, if you do not add the ADU, this would be a bedroom. So going into the ADU option, again, here is the living room, kitchenette, a little dining space, and then you do have that single entry door going to the outside. So definitely perfect if you have someone living with you and just need that extra space. This definitely could be an option for you. Going over here, here is your guest bathroom. And over here, this will be your guest bed. Closet towards the back. And there actually is another washer and dryer in this closet as well. But keep in mind, if you do not add the ADU option, this would be a bedroom and that door does disappear. Going back into the main home. View of your beautiful living space. Love the built-ins over here, and of course your ceiling detail. Turning back around, another view of your dining space. Beautiful chef kitchen. This is a gas community, so you do have a gas cooktop. Pot filler over here. Upgraded KitchenAid appliance package in slate. Also off the kitchen, you do have your laundry space. Laundry sink, extra cabinets, and then also over here is your pantry. Okay, let's go towards the back of the property. Go towards the back, you will have another living space, which is right over here. Again, double windows brings in plenty of natural light, plus 2 extra windows for extra light as well. Here is the main guest bedroom. And again, right next to this guest bedroom, you do have a bathroom with a shower tub combo and a single vanity. Let's go over to the owner bedroom. Again, across the hall, also towards the back. Again, another view of the owner bedroom. Again, king size bed for size reference. Again, 2 big old windows plus the 2 side windows brings in plenty of natural light. Turning back around. Going into your owner bath. Again, double vanities. Walking in, let's go into the closet. Definitely a nice sized closet, and it does wrap around right over there. Going back into the bathroom. Walk-in tiled shower. Again, your double vanities. Another view of the owner bed. And again, the owner bedroom also has a door going to the outside. Going to the outside, beautiful summer kitchen, and of course you do have a pool, hot tub, and a water feature. Turning back around, here's the view of the lounging area. And of course, give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575 if you want more information on this property or any other models in the community. Again, 941-303-9575 or visit my website, liveplayflorida.com.